Hello, in this video segment we're going to take a look at how you can use Think Central System to create a class and add students to that class and assign products so they can log in and look at the content online as well. So first of all, to start the process off, you want to make sure that you go to the Think Central website, and once you're at the Think Central website, you're going to go ahead and enter the state, the district, and the school that you're assigned to, and then you'll enter your username and password from that point. Now if you don't remember your username from last year, or maybe you've forgotten, your username is your first name followed by your last name without a period in between. And then the password is the word password with a capital P with a number 1 at the end. So I've created a fictitious account here, and we're going to go ahead and log in as Roger Smith, and I'm using Rogers Elementary School as the example. So here we are logged into the home page of Think Central. At the far top of the navigation, there's a section for classes and students. And I'm going to go ahead and add a new class. And I'm going to give this class a name. You can use any name you want. I'm going to type in Roger 1 HM for homeroom, and then I'm just going to choose 4th grade as my example. And once you do that, the screen will refresh, and toward the middle of that page, the products that are available for you to choose from will be listed. And you can simply just go ahead and check each one of those products, giving you access to the student edition, the interactives, manipulatives, and the workbook for 4th grade. So the next step here, you're just going to follow the navigation at the bottom, and you're going to assign students to the Roger 1 HM for homeroom. And I'll click that Assign Student button, and the next screen that appears is a list of all the kids in the school, in this case Rogers Elementary School. But I want to drill down to just the 4th graders, so I'll choose 4th grade, and then to the right I'm going to choose Find, and it'll filter out all of the other kids. So now I'm only looking at the 4th grade students. So now you just take a few minutes here and find the kids that are in your 4th grade class, and on the Mac you can hold down the Command key and click Non-Adjacent Students in the list. So it allows you to kind of save them in the list here on the left hand side and just sort of scroll through and find the ones you need. And once you have them all highlighted, you can click the Add button in the middle, and it'll move them over here to your roster. And so once the whole roster is completed, click the Done button, and it'll refresh, and it'll give you a list of your class listed here. Now I've created a couple of examples here, but the one I just created was the Roger 1 HM. So if you want to actually view the kids that are assigned to that class, take a look at their usernames and passwords, just put a check next to that class name and choose View Class Roster. And up will come a list of all those kids that you just assigned. So here are their usernames, and over here to the right are their passwords. There is a button down here at the bottom if you wanted to export this out to an Excel file and make it look prettier. If you wanted to do that, you can certainly do that. Otherwise, you can print it from here as well. And I'm just going to use my back button to go back to that main list here. If at any point during the school year you have a new kid that's added to your class, you can add them manually yourself. Again, up here in the navigation, there's an Add button for users. Simply type in their username, their password, and it'll give them access to that content online. So again, just to refresh here, once you create these classes, you've assigned students and checked those products, the students will be able to go in and access that material online. Good luck!